Welcome to Mrs. Flagel's Grade 5 Science Classroom. Today we're going to be mixing liquids, and specifically we're going to be looking at mixing liquids that form to make a solution and those that don't. We have several liquids here. We have vegetable oil and vinegar, and then plain old water and lemon juice. So the first one we're going to mix up is the vinegar. And we'll just put about 10, 15 milliliters in there. There we go. So there is your vinegar. That lid on. And then we're going to mix up the cooking oil. The nice thing about this is the cooking oil and the vinegar are different colors. So immediately you can see that the vinegar is on the bottom and the cooking oil has gone to the top. What I'm going to do is put my hand over top of it, and I'm going to give it a really good shake to see if I can mix it up. So at this point it's mixed, but I'm going to leave it for just about a couple of minutes, and while we're waiting for that to see what happens, we're going to mix the lemon juice and the water. So in another container, we're putting a little bit of water and a little bit of lemon juice. There we go. So right off the bat, you don't see any distinction between the lemon juice and the water. They have completely mixed together, but I'm going to give them a little bit of a shake and see if that changes things. Okay, so these are mixed together quite thoroughly. But if you take a look at this solution, it's already beginning to separate. The vinegar is going to the bottom and the cooking oil is going to the top. So these two mixtures don't form a solution because you can see the cooking oil and the vinegar, and they are separated. So this is not a solution, and I could probably quite easily, if it were in a bowl, just scoop the cooking oil off the top. If you take a look at the lemon juice and the water, they are still all mixed together. And it would be very difficult, not impossible, but if you were in a science lab that had all the equipment, you could separate this. But because we're just a classroom, this has formed a solution, which means that the particles of the lemon juice and the water have mixed thoroughly together. You can't see the difference between the two. So lemon juice and water, when mixed together, form a solution, but vinegar and cooking oil do not form a solution.